How to use the Travelplott website to submit a visa application. 1. Visit www.travelplott.com on your computer or download the Travelplott app from the Google Play Store. 2. Sign up if you haven't registered an account or log in if you already have one on Travelplott. 3. Select V/ETA from the navigation bar to view the list of available countries. 4. Click on the country you wish to apply for a visa, and the terms and conditions will appear before proceeding with the application. 5. Ensure you thoroughly read all the terms and conditions, including the list of required documents for the application, before agreeing and proceeding. 6. After agreeing, you'll be prompted to fill in personal details to facilitate the application process, moving from Step 1 to Step 2. 7. In Step 3, review all the information you've entered to ensure there are no mistakes. 8. Upload all the required documents as indicated in Step 4. 9. After uploading all documents, proceed to the payment page, where you'll see the visa and processing fees. You can choose to pay by card or bank transfer. 10. Once the payment is completed, you will receive a confirmation receipt. To expedite your application, use the Helpline tab to chat with our 24/7 service center via WhatsApp.